Hello everyone, Helen here, aka Crafty Mama Diaries, and welcome to the Not Too Shabby channel. Today I am revealing two items from the box of the month. This one is the Desert Dreams 6x6 paper pad. I'm going to go ahead and flip through this so you can get a closer look, and it comes with desert and western themed images such as this cow print here. There's snakes, moon, sun, butterflies, a nice kind of like a southwestern pattern, and it reminds me like of a cool summer night. And it also has faux glitter papers as well as cowboy boots and hats, a night scene of a desert as well as a day scene. So the possibilities are endless, and so that's a look at that. And there's 12 designs in that one. And I'm also revealing this set of ephemeras that matches the 6x6 paper pad. And keep in mind, these ephemeras are not all of the ephemeras that come in the pack because I've already used some, but I just want you to get an idea of what comes in it and what kind of images you'll get. And I'm also pairing my cards with this stamp set called Western Sentiments. So it comes with sentiments such as bless your heart, saddle up, cowgirl, forget glass slippers, this princess wears cowboy boots, boots lace, and a whole lot of grace, I'm head over boots for you, country roads take me home, and wild hearts can't be broken. These sentiments will go perfectly with the paper pad and ephemera, and I love how big these sentiments are, so you'll get a nice coverage on your card. I also picked out 5 sketches from OWH Sketch, which I will have on my blog post, link down below. I store them in these page protectors, and I have a binder full of sketches. And what I normally do is I put washi tape on there with the sketches that catch my eye, and you'll notice some of my cards, the orientations have changed. And that's again the beauty of using a sketch, is that it provides a good starting point for you to create your cards, and then you can make it your own. I also used the cinnamon cider cardstock by Stampin Up. So let's get to the cards. All right, my friends, so here are the 5 cards I made. So the first card right here, I stamped it with boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace. Of course, I had to put the boots there. I used the burnt orange sparkly enamel dots from the newest release from Jamie's shop. I also popped up the hat, decorated it with the stars, also decorated it with these blue flowers and this skull here. And I really like the look of the square being turned this way because it mimics the background paper. And I did change the orientation up from the original sketch, because on the original sketch it would be 3 strips of pattern paper going this way, but I like this look better. I felt like it really worked well for the kind of look I was going for. And then for the second card, this one says wild hearts can't be broken. I chose this beautiful flowers and cactus as well as feathers background with boots. I decorated it with these floral ephemera as well as these feathers here. I did pop up some of the flowers on this side so that it wouldn't dip down because of all the layering that I did. And I really love layering pattern paper because I just love paper. And if you love paper, you understand, right? So last but not least, I decorated it with Jamie's enamel dots as well. And it really matches perfectly. So for the next card, this one says saddle up. And I chose 3 strips of pattern paper here. And then this background, I made a banner here and stamped saddle up. Of course, decorated it with more enamel dots. I chose the background paper, which was on the pattern paper, and then I just added more of these ephemeras, as well as popped up the horse and the bird, and then I put the sun in the background, and of course the glitter paper. And then for the next card, I really love this pattern paper that came with the paper pad, because all you'll need is like a really nice big sentiment. That's why the sentiment stamp set really goes super well with this pattern paper. I just added the sun. I chose a black strip of pattern paper from the pad, as well as this lined one, and then the glittery one. I didn't want the glittery to overpower the whole card. That's why I put it in the background, and of course decorated it with more of those sparkly enamel dots and bless your heart as a sentiment. And finally, the last card, I chose the night scene, and then I just put the horse in front. I didn't pop it up or anything because I felt like it's already standing out because of the white outline. And then I really love this pattern paper in the back. It's very subtle with the night sky background. And then I heat embossed this. It says, "I'm head over boots for you." And that finishes up the card. So let me know in the comment section below if you have a favorite. Let's have a look at it one last time. And so here we go. Boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace. Wild hearts can't be broken. Saddle up. Bless your heart. I'm thinking of my friend Dolores. Hey, Dolores. She always says, "Bless your heart." And I'm head over boots for you. So I hope you enjoyed the reveal today. Let me know if you have a favorite card here. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day.